Today, we're exploring over 100 luxury and smart kitchen design ideas that are perfect for 2026. Whether you're dreaming of a modern, minimalist space or a high-tech kitchen that makes cooking fun and easy, stay till the end because we're revealing the latest trends, hidden tricks, and futuristic features that will transform your kitchen into a showstopper. Section 1. Modern Minimalist Kitchens. Matte finished cabinets for a smooth, elegant look. Handleless drawers to maintain a clean, seamless design. Open shelving for displaying premium dishes and glassware. Monochrome color schemes like all-white or all-gray kitchens. Hidden appliances like fridges behind cabinet doors. Smart lighting strips under cabinets for a futuristic touch. Integrated induction cooktops for a sleek countertop surface. Pull-out pantries to maximize vertical storage. Minimalist bar seating with slim stools. Floating islands for a modern centerpiece and extra workspace. Section 2. Luxury materials and finishes. Marble countertops with dramatic veining. Quartz surfaces for durability and style. Glossy high-shine cabinets for a luxury vibe. Wood accents add warmth to modern kitchens. Leather cabinet handles for a unique, tactile feel. Metallic finishes like brushed gold or bronze on faucets. Granite islands with waterfall edges. Glass cabinet doors to showcase designer dishware. Concrete countertops for an industrial, modern look. Textured tile backsplashes to create subtle patterns and depth. Section 3. Smart kitchens and high-tech features. Voice-controlled smart appliances for hands-free cooking. Wi-Fi-enabled ovens to monitor cooking from your phone. Smart refrigerators that track groceries and expiry dates. Touchless faucets for hygiene and modern appeal. Built-in coffee machines in cabinetry. LED color-changing lights to match mood or time of day. Motion sensor cabinet lights that turn on automatically. Smart dishwashers with energy-saving modes. Pop-up charging stations hidden in countertops. Voice-activated kitchen assistants for recipes and timers. Section 4. Functional and space-saving ideas. Corner carousel cabinets to maximize storage. Pull-out cutting boards for convenience. Multi-tiered drawer organizers for utensils and spices. Under-island trash bins to keep surfaces clean. Foldable breakfast bars for small kitchens. Slide-out pantry racks for easy access. Expandable kitchen islands for extra prep space. Hidden appliance garages to reduce clutter. Vertical dividers in drawers for trays and cutting boards. Sliding spice racks for effortless organization. Section 5. Lighting and ambience. Pendant lights over islands for a statement look. Recessed ceiling lights for clean, uniform illumination. Under cabinet LED strips for workspace lighting. Smart dimmers to adjust lighting instantly. Skylights or roof windows for natural daylight. Cabinet interior lighting for display and practicality. Accent floor lighting for a hotel-like atmosphere. Chandelier-style fixtures over dining areas. Color-changing LEDs to match kitchen themes. Mirror backsplash reflections to brighten small kitchens. Section 6. Color and style trends for 2026. Earthy greens and terracotta hues for warmth. Bold matte black cabinets for modern drama. Pastel kitchens for a soft, contemporary feel. Two-tone cabinets for depth and visual interest. Metallic accents like gold or rose gold handles. Natural wood textures paired with light neutrals. colorful islands as a statement piece. Soft blue or gray walls for calming vibes. Pattern tiles for a creative backsplash. Glossy versus matte contrast for a dynamic look. Section 7 Islands and dining integration. Waterfall edge islands for luxury. Built-in wine coolers inside islands. Integrated sinks on islands for workflow efficiency. Breakfast nooks at the end of islands. Seating with swivel stools for space saving. Hidden storage drawers inside islands. Foldable island extensions for larger gatherings. Contrasting island colors for visual interest. Floating shelves above islands for decor and storage. Island charging ports for devices and appliances. Section 8 Sustainability and eco-friendly ideas. Energy-efficient appliances to save power. Recycled wood cabinets for eco-conscious style. LED lighting to reduce energy consumption. Water-saving faucets to conserve water. Compost bins integrated in cabinetry. Sustainable stone countertops like recycled quartz. Smart thermostats to control kitchen climate. Eco-friendly flooring like bamboo or cork. Solar-powered kitchen gadgets where possible. Reusable food storage solutions built in. Section 9 Accessories and details. Designer cabinet handles for elegance. Statement backsplash tiles with patterns or textures. Built-in wine racks for sophistication. Decorative floating shelves for art and plants. Smart spice organizers for convenience. Hidden trash compactors for clean surfaces. Pull-out cutting boards with waste disposal. Integrated herb gardens for fresh cooking. Stylish kitchen rugs or mats for comfort. Decorative hood vents as a design feature. Section 10 Bonus ideas for 2026 trendy kitchens. Curved cabinet designs for a futuristic look. Pop-up faucet systems for minimalism. Smart glass windows that tint automatically. Voice-controlled pantry lighting. Modular kitchen systems for easy upgrades. Convertible countertop spaces for multiple uses. Interactive recipe screens built in. Luxury integrated sinks with soundproofing. Floating drawer storage for ultra-modern kitchens. Invisible appliance integration for ultimate minimalism. And there you have it, 100 plus luxury and smart kitchen design ideas for 2026. Whether you love minimalist elegance, futuristic tech, or bold statement pieces, these ideas will help you plan the kitchen of your dreams. Which of these designs inspired you the most? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing home design ideas every week. Thanks for watching you.